GEZE Powerturn is an automatic swing door drive that facilitates convenient and safe passage through multifunctional swing doors. Thanks to the Smart Swing function, automated doors can be opened without using much force. The Powerturn can be used in the most diverse installation circumstances, and the assembly process is both quick and simple. A single drive unit can be used to implement all 6 of the relevant types of installation, as well as to facilitate various door systems. The installation is explained by this example of the Powerturn FRIS with integrated closing sequence mechanism IS and smoke control unit on a double-leaf door in transom installation, hinge side, pulling, in combination with the GEZE sensor roller guide rail. Information regarding the required tools and the appropriate screw types can be found in the respective installation instructions, depending on the nature of the door and the installation circumstances. When it comes to the installation process, please be aware of the special features of the various types of installation and the safety information contained in the installation instructions. Before the installation process is initiated, check the space above the drive. For the double-leaf installation, the position of the base plate is adjusted and installed at the center of the door. The accompanying template can be used to adjust the position of both mounting plates laterally to the base plate. Use at least 8 screws to fasten each of the mounting plates. If possible, make use of the outer rows of holes. Connect one of the accompanying mains plugs to the feeder that is prepared on site and connect it to one of the mounting plates. The power cable with which the drives are subsequently connected can now be prepared. The corresponding counterpieces and the construction components of the IS mechanism are mounted on the drives that have not yet been installed. Information regarding the installation steps that need to be performed can be found in a separate video. Loosen or detach the screws of the lower clamping claw of the drives. Hook the drives into the mounting plates and move the drives on the mounting plate in the direction of the hinge. The range of movement is about 20 millimeters. Ensure that no connection lines are damaged or pinched. The drive is considered to have been positioned correctly if the central screw can be screwed into the clamping claw. Secure the drive with the screws of the clamping claw. You can now connect both drives using the prepared power line. The next step involves installing the sensor roller guide rail with the sensor strips at the door leaves. Be aware of the respective installation instructions and the video dealing with the sensor roller guide rail. Now, connect the components such as the sensor systems, the actuation devices, the motor locks, or the door openers to the drives. Mount the integrated smoke control unit and, if necessary, the fire protection kit. Be aware of the wiring diagrams that accompany the products. Complete the installation process for the integrated closing sequence mechanism, as described in the corresponding video. Adjust the spring force of the drives depending on the door width and the door weight, in accordance with the chart included in the installation instructions. Check whether the doors close securely when the drives are not provided with electricity. After you have assigned the right function of the drives respectively as active and fixed leaf by the help of the GEZE service terminal ST220, connect both drives using the designated connection cable. After that, activate the drives with the ST220. The side parts and the covering are attached after the teaching run has been concluded successfully. The setting of the parameters and completion of the sensor strips must be carried out in compliance with the corresponding instruction for sensor strip GC338. GEZE Powerturn is now ready to use. Please note, only a qualified electrician may establish the connection. Further safety instructions can be found in the installation instructions and wiring diagrams.